Hello little minions, it is me, Beau Chevasu. Now, if you're anything like me, you're wondering before you buy something, what level of putting something together are you getting yourself into? So I'm gonna walk you through very briefly what I'm doing to put together this drill press. First step is get this column, put it on the base. You'll see that there are three points at which that aligns there. And now we're gonna go ahead and put these bolts, 1, 2, and 3. That's step number 1. Next step is getting what is called your table, and you're gonna slide it over the column. And then once that is done, you just go ahead and tighten it using that little dangly thing. Now you're going to get your drill press head, and see this hole right there? That is going to align with the top of the column. Then once the head is aligned somewhat symmetrically, you're going to get the included Allen key. You're going to go over here to this little head. You're gonna tighten that down. Then you're gonna try to capture one of these guys before they run away. These are the feed handles, and screw those on in. Well, I don't know if this is conventional, but I'm just gonna say it right here. Yes, call me a newbie, but it doesn't come pre-installed with the chuck. I mean, they give it to you, but then you have to go through this arduous process of actually putting this thing on there. So the first thing that you gotta do is wipe all the oil off, so clean the chuck as well as the spindle, because they coat this thing to death with oil, which is great on some things, but when you actually want a chuck to stick to the spindle and you don't want it coming off halfway through, you're gonna have to go pretty crazy. So be sure you have some acetone or some paint thinner, because you're gonna have to cut through quite a bit of oil here. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and install a drill bit, shall we? All right, let's go ahead and give this a try with a wet piece of wood that I have anchored into place. Now, obviously my drill press is not mounted to anything in particular, so don't actually parrot and copy what I'm doing, because it still can be a little topsy-turvy, but you just wanna see if this will even go through. So to activate that, it's the switch right here. That will go on. Oh, it's nice and quiet. It's also kind of a nice little panic switch, so if something goes wrong, you can quickly hit that and it stops almost immediately. Pretty nice. Okay, so go ahead and turn it on. Let's go ahead and gently lower it. Oh, that just goes right through like butter. Oh, that's amazing. All the way through. Oh, that is so quiet. It worked. Fantastic. And of course, the table is aligned to go right through there, so I don't drill through my table. That's it. 5 out of 5 stars. If you guys need something reasonably priced, highly recommended. Man, that was easy to put together, very reasonably priced, solid build quality. I look forward to milling out many milling out many Freedom peacekeeping tools. Well done, well done.